So as I have said, for your final project proposal, you'll be working by group. In your case, hatiin ko lang kayo into two groups. Ang gagawin po natin for now ay gumawa ka ng 5 to 10 PowerPoint slides. Pwede kang gumamit ng Canva or whatsoever para ma-present po sa akin yung iyong proposed final project. If the time permit us, I'll be asking you to present for 5 to 10 minutes or i-check ko yung submission file po ninyo sa Google Classwork. Credited ito as a quiz or equivalent to one machine experiment. Yan. So these are the suggested slides na pwede naman po natin siyang dagdagan if you would like. Yung number one is the project or the program name. Para saan ba yung gagawin po nating C++ code? Ano yung application? And then, ano yung beneficiary? So, pwede natin siyang indicate dun pa lang sa title. Then what is the name of the team? Your group name, pangalan po natin. Pwede po kayo mag-decide who's the leader and the members of the group. Kung gusto mo lagyan ng mga picture po ninyo, okay lang naman yun. Walang problema. For slide 2, in-expect ko dito, magbigay ka lang ng simple introduction or background of the study. Siyempre, hindi ko na-expect na paragraph lang yung ilalagay mo dito. If you can put some images or tables or statistics, pwede naman po. Slide 3 focuses on the objectives of the study. Isang general objective at tatlong specific objectives. Again, it has to be smart, it has to be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time-bound. So, dapat clear po sa akin ano ba yung i-deliver nyo sa akin na output kapag natapos na natin yung ating project. And then yung slide 4, ito na yung pwede tayong gumawa ng system block diagram. So block diagram, mga black boxes lang po ang in-expect ko dito, processes from start to end with explanation. Then slide 5, para clear sa akin, what will be your inputs? Say for example, may mga input variables kang gagamitin, nakalagay yun doon. Gawa ka ng input process output, IPO chart. And then, gawa ka rin ng flow chart para clear sa akin ano ba yung magiging sequence. Again, hindi ko pa in-expect na tapos yung code ninyo, 'di ba? Kaya pansinin niyo, mga diagrams lang and charts lang yung hinihingi ko. So, pwede pa pong ma-update yung flowchart po natin. Pero at least, mayroon akong general idea regarding the flow of your system. Then, lagay rin kayo ng pseudocode. Yung slide 8, this is more of control mechanism or operations. Ano ba yung features, functions ng gagawin po ninyong system? Ano yung kaya nang gawin? So, naka-table din siya. I-list mo yung details and then description. Ayan. So, again, yun lang po yung kailangan po natin gawin for the proposal. Once approved, that's the time na gagawin na po natin yung C++ code. And then, pag nagawa na po natin yung code po natin, that's the time i-document natin siya sa IEEE paper format. Thank you.